morning children. Welcome to your science activity class. Dear children, today I am going to teach you all good study habits. But before starting our today's activity, I would like to ask you one question, that what are the good study habits that you all must do before you sit for your studies? Can you tell me some of the good habits that you have to follow or that you have to do when you sit for your study? What are the things that you will keep with yourself when you will sit for your studies? Let me show you something. The things that you need for your studies are your textbook. The second thing is your notebook, and the third one is your instrument box, color box, and a bottle of water. All these things, your textbook, your notebook, your instrument box, and your color box and bottle of water. All these 5 things are necessary for all of you when you sit for your studies. Now, what are the things, children, that you need to keep in your instrument box? What are the things that your instrument box must carry? Those things are pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, and color box. All these things are necessary to keep inside your instrument box. Now, children, you can see that I have written some of the good study habits on the board that you must follow in your day-to-day life. We have to adopt good habits. We have to adopt and follow good study habits when we sit for our studies. So let's read about it. Here on the board you can see that the first good study habit is see the timetable from your school diary. See the timetable from your school diary. Children, you need to keep your school diary with yourself always. Okay? So, when you sit for your studies, you have to see your timetable from your school diary. It is very important to follow your timetable by seeing your school diary. Your timetable is already given in your school diary. So you have to follow your school diary. The second good habit is sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Dear children, you all sharpen your pencil with the help of sharpener. With the help of sharpener, you sharpen your pencil. So when you start your studies, when you start doing your homework, you need to sharpen your pencil by using your sharpener. Now the next one is check your homework from your school diary. From your school diary, you need to check your homework. You have many subjects. You have to learn different subjects. You have to read many subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, GK, art activity and science activity too. So, you have to check your school diary for your homework. You need to check your homework from your school diary. Here you can see that in your school diary there is a page, home assignment, where you have to note down all your school homeworks, and in your home, when you will sit for your homework, to do your homework, you will check your school diary. The next good habit is put the date and topic properly. Dear children, when you are doing your homework, you need to put your date and topic on the top of your notebook. On the top of your notebook, you need to put date. You need to put date like this. You have to put the date and write the topic properly. When you will do your homework, you need to put the date and topic properly on the top of your notebook. Next good habit. The next good study habit is read books after finishing your homework. Dear children, when you finish all your homework, you need to read at least minimum 2 pages from your textbook. You need to read 2 pages every day from your textbook. Do you know that what is the benefit of reading textbook? It will enhance your vocal skills. It will enhance your pronunciation. It will improve your pronunciation. It will enhance your vocal skill. So, children, we need to follow, we need to adopt this good habit. We have to read minimum 2 pages from our textbook after finishing our homework. Next good study habit is keep your water bottle with you. Keep your water bottle with you. You must keep your water bottle with you. When you feel thirsty, when you are reading your book, at that time, if you feel thirsty, then you must drink water from your water bottle. So you should always keep your water bottle with you. This is also one of a good habit. The next one is recheck your diary to confirm whether you have completed all your work or not. Children, you have to recheck your school diary. After finishing all your work, you have to recheck your school diary whether something is left or not. Whether you have finished all your homeworks from all your subjects or not. You must recheck your diary. And the last one is pack your bags for your school next morning. What you have to do? After doing your homework, after finishing your homework, you will recheck your diary that whether any homework is left or not. And at last, what will you do? At last, you will pack your bag for your school next morning. For your school next morning, you will see your timetable for the next day and you will pack your bags. So, all these good study habits you need to follow or adopt in your day-to-day life, children. These good habits are really very beneficial for all of you. So, children, I hope that all of you will adopt this good study habits in your day-to-day life, and you will follow these good habits always. Dear children, I hope that you will follow these good habits always in your day-to-day life. And I also hope that you will watch this video in your home and enjoy it. Dear children, till then, do take very good care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you.